Okay, now the Discovery Pothole Patrol drive says it's repaired some 160,000 potholes within the past 2 years in Johannesburg. The initiative was established in 2021 to ensure safer roads and improve driving conditions. It's a partnership between Discovery Insure, Dialdirect and the Johannesburg Road Agency. Let's talk about this now with Kgodiso Mokonyane from Discovery Pothole Patrol. Kgodiso, good afternoon. Welcome to today and thank you very much for your time. 160,000 potholes, that's a huge amount, but there's still more. I was driving up Jan Smuts Avenue a few hours ago, coming from Braamfontein, and there's still a number of potholes along Jan Smuts, but I saw members of your crew of the Discovery Pothole Patrol in one section, busy closing those potholes. How important is this work that they've been doing?
Hi, Dan. Yeah, there is a lot of potholes. We are trying. We're working closely with the Johannesburg Road Agency. It is very important that, our road conditions are good. It also even touches on the morale of the country. And also, we are experiencing insurance claims as a result of, people getting into potholes or trying to avoid potholes. So it is very important that we are able to close potholes and just in general have a good road infrastructure.
Yeah, how do you decide which ones? As I said, I saw a group of your Discovery Patrol, Pothole Patrol people today along Jan Smuts. How do they decide where to go?
So behind that team that you see, there's also a few actuaries, trying to crunch the numbers in terms of we ask the public to let us know where the potholes are. And also when people get our app, we ask them to give us the information. And based on that information, we're able to then create an algorithm that prioritizes where to start fixing potholes. Some of the factors that we use in the algorithm, for example, are whether the road is busy or not, and that we can see from our own clients' driving data. And also part of the algorithm as well is, are you a client or not? And we prioritize potholes that have been reported by our clients, because remember, at the end of the day, we are using money from our clients to actually fix these potholes. But we do get to, all the potholes that we can get to, and priority is given to those that are mostly on busy roads.
Yeah, Johannesburg is not only suburbs.
Yeah.
So do you also reach our beloved Soweto, for example?
So we go wherever our clients are. So if our clients are in Soweto, which they are in, we do get there. Alex, where our clients are, Senton, where our clients are. We go everywhere where the GRA allows us to. And also we work very closely with the Johannesburg Road Agency. Okay. So where we can't get to, we go there. Where we can get to, they get there, or where they can't get to, we also get there. I think I can see on your video there, you have one of the potholes that the team fixed on Tuesday, that your team showed on the news on Monday. Yes. And those were in the suburbs. And it's, the ones in the suburbs, it's very difficult to get to because they are not on busy roads. But if we get enough people, logging them, then they do get prioritized based on the algorithm.
Yeah, and how are you finding this private-public partnership? You are a private business, and JRA is a public entity. How is this partnership working?
So it's a very good partnership, I must say. Both parties respect each other very well, and we work very closely together. And that has been, the foundation of which this partnership started on. And it's been an amazing partnership. Sure. We love it here at Discovery, how we're working well with the GRA and the Johannesburg municipality as well. When we have had incidences where, the mayors have been changing a few times. So at the beginning, we were a bit concerned. But luckily,
this one is also about to go. From what we're hearing, there could be a motion of no confidence against Mr. Gwamanda. So the mayoral chains keep on circulating in the city of Joburg. Okay, so the partnership is working well. And I'm asking this because, the reason I was asking you, Kgodiso, is because we keep on hearing government, as recently just 2 days ago, saying we have to work together with the private sector to fix the country. But you can say it on platforms for political reasons, but practically maybe things might not be working. But it's very good to hear that it is working. Is it your decision as Discovery that you must be involved much more with Johannesburg? I'm asking this because I think a few years ago or so you also helped with fire engines for the city of Joburg because the firefighting capacity was having a problem. So is it the view of Discovery as a corporate citizen that you need to be involved in local issues such like fixing potholes?
So Discovery is based on a shared value insurance model, and part of shared value is to create value for the business and sharing that value with our customers and society that our customers live in. So because our head office is in Sandton, which is in the Johannesburg Metro, Johannesburg Metro, we are often impacted by what happens in the city of Johannesburg. But our clients are everywhere, so we would like to also get to other parts of the country and other parts of the world that we work in. But yes, as a company, we do believe in our government, and we do believe in working closely with our government, discussing issues where we're disagreeing, and finding a way to work together in the future. I mean, Pothole Patrol is one thing. You mentioned, Fire Force, but we also work closely with government during COVID-19, at the height of COVID-19, where we partnered with giving out vaccines. So it is part of our culture, and it goes back to the foundations of the organization, which is our shared value insurance model.
Okay, so how big is this patrol unit? How many people does it employ? I don't know even if that's the right word. I mean, are they being employed or you deploy them on a project by project basis?
They are employed. We have employed over 40 young people that were previously unemployed. And we're hoping to do more. I mean, we're talking to different corporates as well who will partner with us to make the Discovery Pothole Patrol even bigger, because part of it is also it's important to create more employment opportunities for young people and even creating jobs, creating entrepreneurs as well. So we are working on something like that where we can create more skills and create more entrepreneurs who can help to fix these potholes in our country.
Kgodiso, thank you very much for your time this afternoon here on Today on eNCA. That's Kgodiso Mokonyane from Discovery Pothole Patrol. And there you have it. Over the last 2 years, since 2021, they've managed to help Joburg's Road Agency to repair around 160,000 potholes. And that process continues, currently employing about 40 or so young people who were previously jobless, and now they're working for them. I saw a group of them on Jan Smuts Avenue earlier today. I've actually never noticed that it's the Discovery Pothole Patrol. Well, good luck to them and well done. We need the gaping holes on our roads to be closed.